Hello there, and in this video I'm going to be telling you about Content Assistant. Now Content Assistant allows you to create unique content quickly and easily, and it does this by drawing from a huge article database. So to start Content Assistant, what you need to do is double click on the executable, and then it will ask you to log in. And the first window that you will see is the browser window. And what this allows you to do is see discounts on other software and updates for Content Assistant. Now you do not need to log in again. Once you log in, when you start the program, you are logged in. So now what we want to do is click on the Research tab, and in this left top box here we can put a keyword that we want to generate articles for. Now if you want to do keyword research, we simply click on the Lightning tab here, and it brings us back over to our browser, and we can type keywords into the box, and it allows us to see these different keywords, searches, and pick keywords that we want to generate articles for. So let's say I want to generate an article for diets, and we can come in here and select, let's say, Atkins diet. I'm going to click copy, come back over to the Research tab, and in this box I'm going to highlight it and select backspace. Now click paste. Now we can edit some values here in these boxes. We can select the max number of results we want. We can select the field that we want it sorted by. We can either sort it by the time it was added or the sentence, and we can sort by descending or ascending. So once you have those set up the way you want, we simply click on the Start Retrieve button, and as you can see, it's working down here, getting information. And let me scroll this so you guys can see it. Here is all of our sentences that we can use in this article. And that's just 100 of the results. If we had set it higher, like 200 or 1,000, we would have even more. So now you simply go through, and you can either use your arrow keys, which I prefer to do, or you can click each one. And you simply read the sentence, and let's say we want to add that one. We just check the box here, and we'll just go through, and I'm going to kind of check these quickly, but what I highly suggest you do is read through all of the sentences and make sure they make sense going together. But you can change this here in a minute, and I'll show you how. So what you want to do is, once you have all of your sentences selected that you want, you simply right click, and you can either select Insert All Checked Sentences directly or Insert All Checked Sentences as a macro. Now I'm going to click directly, but I will show you how macros work here in a minute. So now that we have that, as you can see, here's our article, and it probably doesn't make much sense right now. So what we need to do is come through and read these, and in this box we can edit the articles, and of course you have tools like spell check, and you get it kind of looking the way you want. Now one thing I want to show you is macros, and this is really where this program shines, because you can insert these macros and set them to use synonyms of words, and this allows you to generate multiple forms of the same content. So let's find a word here that we know some synonyms for. Okay, here's one. Okay, word. Now let's say to start a macro, we do 3 brackets here, and then we separate it with lines. Now let's say advice. Now do 3 more brackets, and you can do any number of words here that you want, just to kind of show you. We'll do another one, and you just simply keep adding on to those, and you can pick as many of these words that you want that you can do synonyms for, and this allows you to generate more content. So once we have our article the way we want it, and we have some macros in place, we simply come over to the Process tab, and as you can see here, it says the max number of unique variations that it will generate of this content is 3. So let's do that. Let's say we want to generate 3 different versions, generate, select where we want it to go, and now we have these three different versions of our article. And our macros have changed that word. See, we have advice here, we have word here, and that's essentially it. And once you get good with these macros, you can really just, write one article and then generate 10 or 15, and this just, speeds up the process extremely quickly. And as you can see, that's a 223 word article just now. So I hope you are beginning to see how Content Assistant can really help you generate content quickly, and I hope it helps you as much as it has helped me. And also, I hope you had as much fun watching this video as I had making it. Thank you, and have a good day.